I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering core documents: vehicle RC, owner ID, address proof, invoice, and insurance. Once done, go to the RTO or an authorized vendor and request the application form. This starts the official record. You must choose the correct plate type. HSRP is required in most cases, and schedule the first physical inspection. Make sure the vehicle is present and clean, because inspectors check chassis and engine numbers to match paperwork before approving the application. You now hand over the filled form and originals for verification. Officials will verify RC details against the vehicle and may retain photocopies. Then pay the prescribed fee at the counter or online and keep the receipt and reference number. This is your tracking token. Next, the inspector conducts a physical check of chassis and engine numbers and notes plate specifications such as font, size, and retroreflective requirements. After inspection, your HSRP, or number plate order, is released for manufacture. You collect the finished plates using your payment receipt and inspect them carefully. Confirm the registration number, font, hologram, and retroreflective film meet standards. Once satisfied, either have the authorized installer or RTO affix the plates. Make sure screws are secure and alignment is straight so characters are fully visible. If you encounter delays or a mismatch, immediately track the job with your receipt reference and contact the issuing RTO or vendor. Escalate to the RTO helpline if the issue remains unresolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.